Hi there, I'm here to introduce you my little garden. So here it is. It's a new project-based learning from the Little Urban Farm that was created to bring education to the next level. So this is not only for kids, it's for family, it's also for adults. The goal of this project is to inspire you to grow your own food and healthy and organic in your backyard or indoors, depends on where you live. So you can grow this with your kids, you can grow this with your family. It's super cool and the result is pretty amazing. If you look here, these are curly kales and they are super healthy. So if you want to grow things that you cannot find, if you want to have a wonderful experience by connecting with nature, this, my little garden, is the project-based learning for you. So to grow food, it's something magical. It's something also like a mystery. I will ask you, can you tell me how many trees you can find inside the mango seed? That's a clever question, right? But nature has this infinite potential. If you learn how to work with nature, you can transform one seed in a plant. And then when this plant is big and huge and give other fruits, you can get more seeds and propagate. And this is the way we learn how to create prosperity. So to do that, we need to have the right tools and the right knowledge. So the materials that I will introduce you here, they are made with extremely high quality. It means that they will guarantee the needs that this little seed have and also the plants to have a healthy development. Well, how does it start? It starts by the seed. So here we have, for example, kale seed, lettuce seeds. In order to sprout, we need to have a seedling tray like this one here. And also, guess what? Soil. Ta-da! And this is why we have Tanidacara, because Tanidacara has the right amount of fiber and the specific right amount of drainage. It allows the water to be flowing in a speed that makes it perfect to the little seed to sprout and bloom. So after you do this, after you place your seed here, you're gonna have a seedling tray with a little baby plant like this that needs more sunlight. And during this experience, you will see in the guide and in the videos how to place this, where in your house should you put in order to grow healthy from this stage to this one here. And then when you have a baby plant like this that we call seedling, we have something that is ready to be transplanted to the garden. And then in the garden, you use this geotextile here that is my little garden. So this geotextile here has the perfect porosity that allows the soil to breathe. Yeah, the soil is alive. We have tiny friends here. There are really, really tiny friends, a little bit smaller than you, maybe hundreds of times smaller than you. And they are alive and they need breathe. So when you have the baby plant like that, you're gonna get your organic soil, you're gonna fill this, and again, you need to find a good position to place it. And then you just need to take care. Yeah, you will be responsible. You will take care by watering and by making sure that other animals are not going there to eat your veggies, and you will put in the right position to receive sunlight, to make photosynthesis, right? We're gonna see more about this during the videos. So I hope you enjoy. This is all the materials that come with my little garden, and if you bought yours, you're gonna find everything in your box. So let's get ready to start gardening.